Hi guys, it's Tabitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to construct a balloon garland and also how to attach it to the arch that you see behind me. I have the garland string attached to a folding chair for stability as I construct the garland. You start the garland off with a duplet, and then you will continue to add as many duplets needed until you have achieved your desired length and width of your garland. And you will then be able to attach it to the balloon arch. In this clip, I am using 25-pound fishing line to attach the garland to the arch. Here I will show you how to secure your garland onto the structure, starting at the bottom. Then I will do another attachment midway up the garland, and then I will complete the last attachment at the top of the garland.